Zati ko na turang ng mga chairman ng union, mga king, zati ko na turang ng mga legislation ng tawag ng liw, may nagbibigti. Zati ko na hilitay, turang coach, sa may ni Matu, ko na sa amin. Tip ko na mana lewa yung team tiga yung manda mana baliw na turang tertawa pangawal sa namin ito kinapangko nawaliw ito tawa kay yung tangan ni ito yung ano po pagka naman tatag na 2 weekend to po Tuminin na Leonti, congratulations Laking mo ni ang dito magkaptorton na kanto may papuningin anong hingin na lang ano na tigumumi na ako dito December yung may tarong ito na legislation. At yung which in world ranking, the rugby became I was told that we are ranked 30th out of 49 countries. In our Hong Kong, I sort of Hong Kong, I have no doubt that you will do well. So not too long ago, we farewelled the Olympic team in Club Academy Rio. For the first time, we won gold medal, and we are now world champions of the short and cold of rugby. We are world beaters. Mata Rosa, may talay dito nandito the whole seconds as we speak. I have no doubt that they're preparing for the first couple of games in 1 or 2 days' time. Not long after that, you will be representing our country. When you talk about rugby, people are very interested. Our flying Fijians did exceptionally well. Although we lost our first match against the Barbarians, but we had a very good performance against the Japanese team. So by beating the Japanese, we retained our world ranking, and I hope that we can only improve from that. We have some very experienced people who have been involved with the training. I'd like to commend and thank them. Our former national reps, Bai, or Nubarata, one or two others. They've come back, give up their time to help you, develop you to be world beaters too. I have no doubt you have the talent, you have the commitment and the passion to represent our country well. Our prayers and good thoughts go with you. You are now entering the world stage. There will be no easy matches for you, I am certain of that. But we have every confidence that with the training, the preparation that has been done over the last couple of weeks, you will be our day. Sana muli ke muli itu pernah untuk masuk ke dalam ini nak yang menginginkan. I wish you well. Safe travel. Don't get carried. Look after one another. Marong betul begitu. I have no doubt that you will come back victorious. On that note, I'd like to once again acknowledge and thank Commander Keane and the team from the head office of our union. I'd like to acknowledge and thank coaches, trainers, and administrators, and to thank each and every one of you who is representing our country. So God go with you, and come back to us. Tipo nung nabawasan ni Walminaka, wasan ni Andre, wasan ni Masala Batang, sa may water kanya.
Okay, no, sir.